Teba with Obadiah's. Today I am going to be doing some stovetop cooking for you guys on the Teba TKS-15 wood cook stove. The stove is pretty unique because it's actually a three-sided panoramic glass stove, which is kind of hard to see on the front angle here. Today I am going to be cooking up a steak on the cooktop, and I wanted to do that because a lot of people ask about stacked cook stoves and when you have the baking oven on top, if the cooktop actually gets hot enough. So I want to show you that on the Teba cook stove you can perfectly sear up a steak easily by the simple modification of how you're burning your fire. So right now you can see that we are burning the fire really hot. That doesn't always mean like the biggest logs possible. Actually, smaller pieces of wood and more of them are going to create hotter airflow and burn a hotter fire, which is going to get you up to this temperature quicker. So I am going to be cooking up the steak today. I hope you guys enjoy this cooking video. Alright, as promised, I am cooking up a steak for you guys today. I've got my thermometer gun. I want to give you guys some temperature readings. In the back corner of the stove is reading 590 degrees in this back corner with a good hot fire going. So I put my cast iron pan on there just a few minutes ago. My cast iron pan is already up to 451 degrees. So I'm going to sear up my steak. Here is my steak. For marinade, I used some olive oil and some raspberry vinaigrette dressing along with some garlic and some pepper. Excuse me. To cook it, I'm actually going to put some butter in the pan. Go ahead and drop that in my pan, and already, if you can hear it, my butter is sizzling. So my pan is hot, ready to go. I don't know about you guys, but personally I like my steak rare. This is a pretty thin steak, if you can see, so I'm gonna say maximum probably 3 minutes on each side here. Sizzling up great. My butter's going pretty good. We're in the back corner. Again, I like it rare, so I do it pretty quick, about less than probably 3 minutes on each side, because I've got the lid. Really, I do recommend the lid when cooking on the wood cook stove. I forgot it for like those 2 seconds, and you can see those couple of splatters. It's just a pain to clean them, so definitely recommend cooking with that lid. I'm going to go ahead and flip my steak right now. Grilled up really nice. And it should be done in another quick 3 minutes. Alright, it's been my 3 minutes on the other side with my steak. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. I'm going to take it over here to let it set and cool down. As you can see, it's steaming. Show you guys, this is my butter. It's a really good sear going on in my cast iron pan for my steak. Take you guys up close in a minute. Here we have it. Definitely could have seared it a little hotter on the first round, but overall, yeah, it turned out pretty good. This wasn't my choice cut of meat. There wasn't quite enough fat in it for what I prefer, but it turned out very nice. You can easily grill up a steak on this Teba cook stove, and I'm gonna do some baking in this oven here soon. Here we have my steak. So to me, this is perfect. This was maybe even a little less than 3 minutes on each side. I really like it, like rare, bloody, delicious. This beauty was cooked on this gorgeous Teba 3-sided fire, and I am excited to eat this. So, cheers. If you guys enjoy my cooking videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. If you like them and share them with a friend, that helps me out even more. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.